Cassie here from Bulletproof Lashes. Today I wanted to share with you all a few tips and tricks about our short stem pre-made fans. Now these are our biggest selling pre-made fans. They are super lightweight, not too thick at the base, retention is amazing. I love working with them. I find them so easy to work with. So I had a few questions from a few lash techs that wanted to know how to remove the little fans off the tray correctly. So I've done a little video on how I remove them. Also how I angle my tweezer to pick them up correctly to apply to the natural lash. I find that some lash techs have trouble with that. So this is just a little tips and tricks video I wanted to share with you all, and I hope it helps some of you with the pre-made fans. All our fans come in the Bulletproof D Curl. These are our 3D short stem fans. They're available in 8mm through to 15mm. I just love how super delicate they are, but they still have that beautiful curl. And they're not too chunky at the base. I find that with all of our fans. So these are the 4D. They come in 9mm through to 15mm. We also stock 5D pre-mades. I only like to use 5D on clients that have really thick natural lashes and can handle a 0.15 or 0.20 extension. These fans are a part of our premium quality range. We also offer these in long stem as well. Now today I'm going to use our 3D short stem fans. They are our most delicate and probably going to be the best ones to show you guys this tutorial. I'm going to use our Falcon Volume tweezer. They are right angled, so they're really good for pre-made fan pickup. You're just wanting to put your tweezer down to the very base of the fan where all 3 hairs meet on the sticky strip. I pull towards myself to lift the fan off the sticky strip. That way you avoid the fan getting bent out of place or breaking. You can then apply straight to the natural lash like this. Me personally, I like to put my pre-made fan down on a lash pad so I can then re-angle my tweezer and pick up from there. When I re-pick up, I only grab 1 hair out of the fan. I find when I'm doing it this way I can angle my wrist better and my tweezer doesn't get in the way when I'm trying to apply the fan to the natural lash. I can reach tricky areas and I can then really concentrate on the glue bond between the pre-made fan and the natural lash. I wouldn't recommend picking up the fan directly out of the lash tray like this, because it can cause the fan to bend out of shape or possibly break. As you can see, this pre-made is a little bit bent out of shape now. That's why it's so important to make sure you're picking up the fans correctly out of the tray. Make sure you're lifting from the very base of the fan. You're wanting to pinch all hairs of the fan in your tweezer and pull towards yourself. Once you remove the fan correctly, you can just place the fan back down on an empty sticky strip and readjust your tweezers that way. Here I've laid out a few fans on my lash pad to show you guys how I pick up with my tweezer. This method should help some lash techs who have trouble with pre-made fan pickup and placement. As you can see, I've picked this fan up only grabbing 1 hair out of the fan with my tweezer. That way I feel like I can slide down the natural lash easier. When I'm applying a pre-made fan, I always like to come in from either side of the natural lash and then slide the pre-made fan on top. So here's another look at my pickup method, just grabbing 1 hair out of the fan and picking up with my tweezer, small dip in the adhesive. Once I've isolated, I then can come in either side of the natural lash to place the pre-made fan. It is a good idea to double check that the fan is connected to the natural lash correctly. I like to give the fan a little tap or swipe from behind, just to make sure the fan isn't lifting at the base. Always check your isolation, then place your next fan on the opposite eye while you give that fan time to dry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you have any further questions, please comment below. I've planned to do some more detailed videos about pre-made fan applications, so please keep posted. Thanks guys!